happy tonight. You're walking in a winter wonderland. Oh yeah, you're doing great. The land of the dreams. Hello mga reels! Ngayon, nandito ako sa Dansol, Pangasinan with my family. Ayan. Kasama po ang apo ko na si Kaden. Kaden! Ayan. At si Caleb. We are in the beach. Ayan. Mga kapatid ko at apo ko. Ang apo kong napak-cute. Ayan. Kaden! Caleb, don't go away. Where are you going, Caleb? Caleb, where are you going? Don't go away. You will malulunod ka. Malulunod ka, Caleb. Don't go there. You swim na lang. Ganyan ba mag-swim? It's like you're just walking, you're not swimming. You're just walking in the water, not swimming, right? Oh my gosh.
You want to be a mermaid? Oh, you bet! You want to be mermaid ka no?
Are you doing the same? I mean, wawa shape. Wow, Tito Gil.
Picture, ah! Wow!
Kaya po tinagay dito shade.
Balya. 1.5 yan. Pero 80. Bali 1.8 ka bali.
Magkaita ng Tito Shane na ito.
Hello mga reels.
Bawal ikaw doon.
Welcome to the dagat.
Don't
worry, Mama. I will protect you.
200 mo naman. Mamalit na akong chinela. Dali na ka? Ngek! Ngek!
Caleb, what are you doing? Caleb, what is that? What is that, Caleb? What is this very big UFO? Yes, you know it. Don't go near. He will go to you. He will get you. That's a UFO. You know UFO? Oh. What? Caleb, what are you doing in the big banana boat? Where are you going? Where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't know. And you're going there in the banana big. My goodness to you. What happened to your eyes? Can I see? Oh, spit?
Visit.
Saya memang boleh hanya salah satu.
Ayan lang kasi. Hindi biasa kawe. Biasa ang kawe. Ipa yan.
Biasa yan po, tita.
Look at this.
Very good. Yay. Sit down, Ray. Maring na po tayo si makain. Oh, ano naman pala, manginig ka pa, no?
Ha? Tignan natin.
Oh, they're come back. Uwi na sila kasi bumaligtad na. Now, at your mommy and daddy look. Oh, they're come back. Ah. Uwi na daw kayo.
Ito, Shane.
Uwi na daw kayo. Inuulog lang kayo.
Banana boat. Banana boat.
Uwi na kayo, kaya babo. Mamatay ka na ba? Shane! 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 Ating ang balot! Ating ang balot! Ating ang balot! Ating ang balot. Ibabaliktad eh.
You need the baby John?
Ano yung shorts at saka yung bakas yun ng ulo?
Who's baby?
Mama. Daddy. Mommy. Daddy.
Naiwan niya na
I need the baby John.
Gusto mong another baby?
You want another baby? You are already two. And another boy? You don't like a baby girl? Oh my gosh. You're all boys.
Daddy.
Hindi ka pinapansin kasi nahirapan sila sa mag-English. Their nose is blood. You talk Kapampangan so they will understand you. They left you, your parent, your mother, your father, they left you. They don't understand you. You speak Kapampangan, okay? Can you speak Kapampangan? Where are you going, Caleb? Why? You left me. You enjoy there? Okay, enjoy. Don't drown, okay? What? It's hot? Okay. Don't go that far, okay? Only here. What?
I don't know.
What? You don't know what? Caleb, where is Jess? I thought you will vlog. Caleb, do you want to make a vlog? Why? Where is your goggles?
Get it.
What?
Bring it.
I don't see. I don't see your goggles. Where did you put it? You get it. Is that the way you swim? That is not swimming. You're just walking in the water. Are you Jesus Christ? Walking in the water? Caleb, what is that? What is that, Caleb? What is this very big UFO? Yes, you know it. Don't go near. He will go to you. He will get you. That's a UFO. You know UFO? Oh. What? Hello, good morning mga vlogs, mga reels nga. I'm in the beach. Ayan, my nephew. And my apo. Cute apo. Kaden. Ba. Ba. Ito sa lumaw. And Jess. Enjoy the beach. Christmas. Merry Christmas in the beach.
Ay, happy summer.
Sige. Video. Where are you going? Don't go very far away, okay?
May style yan.
Para nasliyakan dyan sila kasi di tayo mag-kayaking napuntas pa. Yes.
Mas okay yan tayo kasi kita ko. Banana.
Okay na, magkakasunod naman yung tayo. Oras na kasi.
Yung pangkay. Pang profile pic. Kunwari kawe ako.
Kunwari, kawi ako.
Pang vlogs. Mag-swimming ka kunwari. Kunwari. Kawe ako. Lumod mo yung lupa mo. Kunwari mag-swimming ka, lumod mo yung lupa mo. Yan, tigdom. Ate dyan video Mingat, don't go far away, only near. Seniors are after the boat, they are going down na. The seniority complex. Ah.
Okay, next.
Bahay na yan.
Ah.
Hindi dapat sila kay papaambay na siya. Oh. Alam ko kasi Jeff gusto mo mag-kayaking ko yan. Ba't di ka nag-kayaking? Tapos kaya mo kaya Jeff. Ba't di ka nag-kayaking?
Hindi ayaw daw.
O ganyan namin
Yes,
guys.
go!
Sa,
Picture.
kunwari magbaka. Ganyan. Yan. Papunta na kayo sa malalim.
Ikot mo lang.
Gaganyan lang ako.
Basta ipapadal mo lang na ano. In direction ng ano mo, baka. Ay, malamig. Dito na ako sa may.
Bye-bye. Take care. Mamimiss ko kayo.
Nangkatikot.
Nakakay ka? Oo. Ganun din ako.
Oral view ka. Ano, may nakikita ka?
Wait. Video yun.
Baka video yan.
Video. Mga vlogs.
Pituran kayo.
Ganon din ang ano.
Oren na rin nga doa. Pabalik na lang.
Ganon din ang parang pinakailalim niya.
Picture. Picture ko kayong tatlo. Okay. Matt! Yes! Where are you going pa? Maha Reels, okay. Picture kayong tatlo. Caleb, why did you lock the door? Open the door.
Thank you.
You lock it? Why did you lock the door? Why did you want to lock me?
Yeah, because bubbles. Because I go in the sky.
You wanna go to swimming again? Ayan na, video. Against the light. Atin. Against the light kasi ay. Ay.
Yan, di kami pangadwa.
Masuk pa. Okay.
It's called Black.
Kakatas na.
Zigzag road.
Wala na sa kabila, ng Kalbaryo.
Sana, nauna na si EJ niyan. Oo.
Bawat alon pumupuwak.
Si Leo ba nasuka talaga?
Hindi
Hindi
na.
daw po.
Sabi
Sabi
na.
na. Malapit na daw po siya. Pero
Si Leo okay na.
hindi na po siya naiisip.
Hindi rin siya nasuka.
Si EJ lang.
Inaabangan mo
Si
naman si
Kaya.
Ate May.
Ay ngayon, bag busog yan, maraming susuka yan.
Si ano niya, Mata tsaka si Siren.
Mas masakit na pakiramdam ko dito.
Mingan niya pa nga snowball, manyo kanya naman kanya.
Hindi good, nasa ulo na sa